Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Talkback is currently speaking. That tells you the service is running. Once confirmed, place one hand on each volume button and press volume up and volume down together for about 3 seconds. You do this because Samsung maps the accessibility shortcut to those keys by default. Holding them triggers the toggle. Make sure to keep pressing until you hear a sound or verbal cue indicating the shortcut was recognized. Once the shortcut triggers, listen carefully for a vibration or a voice prompt that announces, "Turn off Talkback" or similar. If the simple shortcut didn't stop Talkback, you need to navigate to Settings with Touch Exploration. Use one finger to move and listen for item names, then use a single finger double tap to select. You do this because Talkback changes gestures. Single tap selects and double tap activates. Make sure to move deliberately. To finish, go to Settings Accessibility Talkback and flip the toggle off. You'll hear the voice stop when it's disabled. Once done, verify by tapping the screen normally. If you get regular single tap responses, Talkback is off. If spoken feedback persists, restart the phone to clear the service. If you can't interact at all, perform a power cycle using the physical keys to regain normal input. This often resets the accessibility state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.